Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be discussing what mistakes you guys are making while asking for referrals, and these mistakes can cause you big time. All that efforts can go in waste if you are doing these mistakes. In fact, I'll be sharing you my experience as well. So let's discuss that one by one in this video. So guys, before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, I help IT professionals with their career through my videos. So if you are interested in that and you are one of them, then do subscribe to this channel and check out my playlist. Let's get back to the video. So the first mistake that we are doing is sending the same message to everyone, and that should not be done. Basically, you have written a format of message and all you are doing is just changing the person's name and the company's name. Rest everything you are keeping the same. It is just like your examiner checking two papers and both of them have similar answers. So what you need to do is you need to first research about that company, research about that person. That will actually click. Now guys, the second mistake that has close relation with the first one is just talking about yourself. Now in your message you have mentioned your problem, your solution that you want. It is all about you and nothing about that person who will be actually taking that effort to refer you. You should be using hook, story and action. So basically the hook here is something that you tell to that person that would instantly trigger the emotion. It can be something that is common between you. It can be a compliment. These all things are very important, and if you're not mentioning that and if you're just maintaining a single tone, then in this case it is a bit of turn down. Now guys, the third and one of the most common mistake that I found, in fact I can say that if I have to choose one most dangerous mistake, then this would be the one. Not mentioning for which position you want to apply. Rather than you telling me that just look for a suitable position in your company, why would I go and look for a suitable position for you? You are expecting me to take my half an hour, drill down all your skills and technologies and then align something for you. If you guys are doing like this, if you are asking and if you are depending on the other person to search that for you, then I'll guarantee you that you will never get that reply. So guys, always mention the job title that you're looking for, the job ID and URL of that particular opening. Now guys, the fourth mistake that we are doing is we are writing essays in the messenger. Rather, you should try to keep your complete message in 4 to 5 sentences which are specific. So avoid writing very long paragraphs and messages. Now the fifth mistake is not giving proper call to action. You wrote your message, but your message does not actually say what I have to do. What do you want me to do? Where is the call to action? So I get messages, but I sometimes get confused whether this person is actually asking me to refer him or trying to tell about themselves. So there is no actual call to action. So guys, do try to avoid these mistakes next time you ask for reference. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care guys, stay safe and keep applying and keep hustling for your dreams. Bye-bye.